Let's talk about the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, a true legend. People line up for it, but what's the secret? It's not just chicken in a bun, it's a marvel of crispy engineering. Juicy inside, crunchy outside, and that first bite, pure satisfaction. The secret's in the details. A special marinade, seasoned flour, a buttery bun, and those two iconic pickles. Each element is simple, but together, they're magic. Making one at home is an adventure. You control every ingredient. No mystery, just honest, delicious food. When you take that first homemade bite, it's a triumph. So, let's roll up our sleeves and uncover the secrets. I'll guide you step by step, from mixing to frying. It might get a bit messy, but that's part of the fun. By the end, you'll be a master sandwich maker. No more waiting in long lines, just great sandwiches anytime. Ready? Let's get started on this culinary journey. Grab your apron, and let's make something special. The best sandwich is the one you make yourself. First, let's gather our ingredients. The foundation of greatness. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Plump ones are best. Grab some pickle juice from a jar of dill pickles. It's our secret weapon. Add milk for a creamy marinade. For breading, plain flour. A touch of powdered sugar, and a handful of spices. Paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and celery salt. These spices give our sandwich its personality. Don't stress if you're missing one. Most are easy to find. For the bun, choose soft, slightly sweet hamburger buns. Brioche is perfect. Butter for toasting is a must. And don't forget those classic crinkle-cut dill pickle slices for crunch and tang. You'll also need oil for frying. Peanut oil is ideal, but canola or vegetable oil works too. Check your cupboards and make a list before you start. Having everything ready keeps things smooth and stress-free. No last-minute dashes to the shop. With your ingredients set, you're ready for sandwich greatness. Organization is the key to a flawless kitchen adventure. Gather your bits and bobs, and let's get cooking. The right prep makes all the difference. Let's move on to the magic marinade. Now for the magic, marinating the chicken. Pickle juice is the secret. It brines the chicken, making it juicy and flavorful. In a bowl, mix half a cup of pickle juice with half a cup of milk. Stir it up. The acid in the pickle juice tenderizes the chicken. Take your chicken breasts and pound them to an even thickness, about ½ an inch. Cut each breast in half for perfect sandwich portions. Submerge the chicken in the marinade, making sure it's fully covered. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. An hour is even better. Don't over-marinate or the texture gets odd. This step is crucial for juicy, flavorful chicken. While the chicken soaks, you can prep the breading. The marinade is simple, but it transforms the chicken. It's a bit of food science that makes all the difference. The result? Chicken that's tender all the way through. Trust the process. This is the foundation of a great sandwich. Once marinated, you're ready for the next step. The wait is worth it for that first bite. Let's get ready to bread and fry. The secret's in the soak. Don't skip it. On to the crunch. Time for the crispy coat, the breading. In a wide bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, and your spices. Paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a pinch of celery salt. Whisk until evenly mixed. For extra crunch, add a spoonful of marinade to the flour and mix until you get little clumps. These clumps become those signature crispy bits. Remove chicken from the marinade, let excess drip off. Press each piece firmly into the flour mixture, coating all sides. Shake off any excess. Aim for a solid, not pasty, coat. Set breaded chicken on a wire rack while you finish the rest. This breading is what sets your sandwich apart. The secret is in those little flour lumps. Don't skip them. Every piece should be evenly coated for maximum crunch. The right breading means a perfect bite every time. Prep all your chicken before frying for a smooth process. The crunch is what makes this sandwich unforgettable. Ready to fry? Let's get that golden finish. The next step is where the magic happens. Let's make it crispy. Now, let's fry. Heat 2 to 3 inches of oil in a heavy pot to 325 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Celsius. Test with a pinch of breading. If it sizzles and browns in a minute, you're set. Carefully lower chicken into the oil with tongs. Don't overcrowd. Fry 2 pieces at a time for 3 to 5 minutes per side until deep golden brown. The goal, crispy outside, juicy inside. Check the internal temp, 165 degrees Celsius, 74 degrees, is perfect. Remove chicken and let it rest on a wire rack. Never paper towels, or you'll lose the crunch. The wire rack keeps it crispy all over. Repeat with remaining pieces. Watch the oil temp. Too hot or too cool ruins the texture. This is the moment your sandwich comes to life. Golden crispy chicken is the star. Let it cool slightly before assembling. Ready for the final build? Let's put it all together. Time for the grand assembly. Split your soft buns and butter the insides. Toast them in a dry pan, buttered side down, until golden. Place 2 dill pickle slices on the bottom bun, classic and essential. Lay your hot crispy chicken on top of the pickles. The heat releases the pickles' tangy aroma. Top with the toasted bun, and give it a gentle press. That's it. A perfect homemade Chick-fil-A sandwich. Admire your creation. It's a thing of beauty. Every layer matters. Buttery bun, tangy pickles, crispy chicken. The textures and flavors come together in every bite. You've built a masterpiece from scratch. Take a moment to appreciate your handiwork. This is kitchen engineering at its finest. Serve immediately for maximum crunch. The best sandwiches are made with care. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. You've earned it. Look at that sandwich. Magnificent. The best way to enjoy it? Right away, while it's hot and crispy. The contrast of textures and flavors is pure joy. Serve with waffle fries or coleslaw for the full experience. A bit of mayo or barbecue sauce on the side is perfect. Making these at home means you know every ingredient. It's budget-friendly and fun for the whole family. Get the kids involved in breading. It's messy, but memorable. Remember, don't skip the pickle juice. Get those flour lumps, and watch your oil temp. Follow these tips for a cracking sandwich every time. Homemade always tastes better. Turn your kitchen into an inventor's workshop. Create, taste, and enjoy. It's a grand day out for your taste buds. Cheers to your delicious invention.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.